Welcome to my That Muffin Art channel. Place your paper in a comfortable position. Using your pencil, draw a straight vertical line. Use a ruler if you want it to be perfectly straight. Decide the length of your vertical line. Measure the vertical line to find its midpoint. Make a small light mark at the midpoint to help you place the horizontal line accurately. Decide the length of your horizontal line. Typically, it should be about twice as long as vertical line in 5 inches. Make the horizontal line about 2.5 inch on each side. Place the ruler horizontally at the midpoint. Mark your mid as a vertical line. Draw a straight horizontal line. Place a ruler horizontally at the midpoint. Mark your mid on the vertical line. Draw a straight horizontal line ensuring it intersects the vertical line in a midpoint. Make sure the horizontal line is centered and both sides are equal. Go over the lines with a pen and a darker pencil to make them more poignant. Then color inside the whole letter T. Erase any unnecessary pencil marks or guidelines. Ensure all lines are smooth and straight. Maintain consistent pressure on your pencil or pen to keep the lines even. Drawing straight lines freehand and can be tricky. Always use a ruler if you want to precision. Don't forget to subscribe my channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching this video.